Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the chatbots. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in chatbots and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, what is a chatbot actually? Chatbot is basically a software program which which interact or simulate the conversation with the human users, especially over the internet. Friend, I'm sure that you have used any e-commerce website, or you have definitely visited any product website at which when you visited, a small window open in which the it will ask you that what you want to purchase, how can I help you, what are your queries. And when you started conversation with that chat, basically in the chat box, it will ask you what you require, and then it will answer you your queries as well. These types of chat boxes are available whenever you visited any e-commerce site, any product site. Especially, for example, the this is very best example of chatbot is the Chat GPT. Is basically it's a very advanced version of the chatbots. So basically, it interacts with users through a chat interface, responding to the queries and providing information or assistance. Chatbot can be a simple rule-based system or more advanced, incorporating artificial intelligence like natural language processing (NLP) and machine language (ML). Now let's deep dive into the concept of chatbot. First one, the chatbot is basically based on natural language processing (NLP). Now, what is the purpose of that? It allows the chatbot to understand and interpret user input in a way that mimics human language comprehension. For example, um, I want to see, I want the top five internet browsers. For example, I want the top five songs nowadays. So it will list down the information, whatever I want the information. Now the functionality is basically is that it breaks down the sentences, identifies keywords and drives meaning to generate appropriate responses accordingly. Then machine language (ML). It enables the chatbot to learn from data and user interactions, improving its performance over time. Whatever you are querying, it basically is storing in the databases, and from the historical information it's also learning as well. So the learning patterns understand user preferences and defines responses based on the historical interactions. Like yesterday you asked about, for example, any particular food. Now today when you again ask any query, so it will use the historical information that yesterday you were asking about any particular food, so it can link to today's query about with the historical information. Then dialogue management means it manages the flow of conversation and maintains context during interaction. Like for example, you ask query 1, then you ask query 2, then you ask query 3. So the interactions or the link between the queries will be maintained. It knows that, for example, you are asking the query 3, so it will manage the context of the queries whenever you are asking in a conversation. It ensures the coherent and relevant exchanges, handling multi-turn conversations seamlessly as well. Then integration with external system. Chatbots can be integrated with external systems like databases, APIs, or any other external sources as well. It enables the chatbot to provide real-time and accurate information, because it's not only the case that it has its own databases, it can be integrated with other systems as well, so that it can pull the information from other systems. Then, and the user interface, it generally defines how user interact with the chatbot. Normally it's a very simple video, you can say a simple box in which you enter and ask the queries. It can be a chat window on a website, a messaging app interface, or other platforms where users communicate with the bot. Generally, it's a simple, very simple chat window in which you ask the query, and the software replies you accordingly as well. There are mainly two types of chatbots. First one is the rule-based chatbot, and second one AI-powered chatbot. Uh, Rule-based chatbots simply follow the predefined rules and decision trees. For example, what is the for example what you require. For example, in the customer support, normally it used like based on logic, it will reply you, suited for simple and structured interface such as FAQ based queries. So generally, for example, it can be used in banking systems. They have any query, for example, for related to product 1, this is the answer. For product 2, this is the query answer. So generally it can be used in such types of organization. Then the AI powered chatbots, it utilizes machine learning and NLP to understand and respond more dynamically. It handles more complex queries, adapt to user inputs, and improve over time as well. The use cases of chatbots: first one is the customer support. It resolves common issues and answer frequently asked questions, providing instant assistance in information. So customer support is a very important, and you can say a common use case for chatbots. Now many products can use nowadays customer support. Like for example, you are facing any issue in the product, you have any query about the product, so it can be used. Then lead generation means that normally I'm sure that if you ever you have noticed that whenever you visited any product website generally, so the chat box open in which you can query about the product and it will answer you. So it can be used for lead generation as well. It can be used for e-commerce as well, like chatbot nowadays available on e-commerce website as well. Like you can ask about the product, the order status, and about purchases. So chatbots are nowadays available on e-commerce as well. Information retrieval means that it answers queries related to facts, figures, and general knowledge as well. ChatGPT is a very good example of chatbot. The benefits of the chatbot: first one is that because it's a software based program, so it can be available 24/7. Like any person can answer, person can ask a query on in a night, in the morning, anytime, any Saturday, Sunday. So it's available 24/7. Then efficiency is also there, that it resolves queries very quickly. For example, a human agent is sitting, obviously it has to search something on Google, or it will take time to answer the query. But because chatbot is a software based program, it will answer very quickly. Then consistency is very important benefit of the chatbot, because it provides consistent responses to frequently asked questions, maintaining a uniform user experience. Whenever you ask a same query, it will answer you same thing as well. Chatbot is very cost effective as well, because the you don't need a large customer support team handling routine tasks. Obviously, when you build a customer support, you need hardware, software, you need human resources as well, you need maintenance of that location as well. However, if you just use a proper appropriate chatbot, it will not the case. So it's very cost effective as well. There are few challenges as well in the chatbot. The first one is the understanding of the context. That means some chatbots may struggle to grasp the context of a conversation, leading to misinterpretation and misunderstanding as well. Emotion recognition is also a big challenge, that whenever you are chatting with a chat bot, so obviously the chatbots doesn't recognize the user emotions accurately, and it's a challenge in the chatbot. Friend, chatbots are versatile tools that enhance user engagement, streamline customer support process, and contribute to the efficiency of various applications across industries. Their effectiveness is continually improving with advancements in artificial intelligence technologies. So friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.